previously I showed you that in order to get the index of an item, you can use the index method. Now, how can we do the reverse? How can we get an item given its index? Well, for that we need to look one more time at the list of attributes that we can apply to a list. And I know that we can use the underscore get item underscore method. Okay, I know. I told you earlier that these methods rarely you're going to use. And in fact, we don't need this method for what I'm going to do now. But let me explain why in just a bit. You'll understand. And this is a very secret of Python. So let me go ahead and use get item with double underscores, and of course it's a method, so it needs this round bracket parenthesis. So let's try to get the item with index 1. Which would that be? Well, 8.8. Now the secret is that you don't have to use that ugly method there with those double underscores. All you have to do is use this syntax. So call the variable name like that, and then add open and closing square brackets, and then inside them just enter the index. And that will give you the value, the item for that index again. Even though you're doing this, Python on the background actually is calling this method and is passing this item, this value, as an input for that method. So this is actually what's going on the background, but Python lets you do it in a better fashion, like this in here.